Join me as I take on the challenge of spending 60 days with the TECNO Pova Slim 5G to see if it's really worth it. I've always been curious about this phone, so I'm excited to dive in and share my experience with you. The goal is to use it as my daily driver for 2 months and evaluate its performance, battery life, and camera quality. These are the key areas that will help me decide if the TECNO Pova Slim 5G is a good fit for everyday use. I'm super excited to start this challenge, and I have to say, the TECNO Pova Slim 5G looks promising on paper. The design feels premium, and I'm eager to test its capabilities in real-world scenarios. One of the things I'm most looking forward to is seeing how the battery holds up during heavy usage. I'm a heavy user, so if the battery can last me a full day, that would be a huge plus. As I start using the TECNO Pova Slim 5G, I'm immediately impressed with its sleek design. It's comfortable to hold, and the display looks vibrant. I've been using it for a few days now, and I have to say, it's been a great experience so far. The phone feels responsive, and I've been able to switch between apps seamlessly. I showed the TECNO Pova Slim 5G to some friends and family, and they were all impressed with how slim it is. One of my friends even asked where I got it, thinking it was a high-end flagship. I've also had some funny moments where I accidentally took a selfie with the wrong camera mode, but that's all part of the learning process. I've been using the TECNO Pova Slim 5G for daily tasks like browsing, social media, and gaming. The phone handles these tasks with ease, and I've experienced minimal lag. I've also been impressed with the camera quality, especially in well-lit conditions. The photos look clear, and the colors are accurate. One of the things I've enjoyed most about the TECNO Pova Slim 5G is its camera. I've taken some amazing shots with it, and I'm excited to share them with you. The portrait mode is also really impressive, and I've gotten some great shots of my friends and family. I've even used it to record some video, and the quality is really good. As I continue to use the TECNO Pova Slim 5G, I've started to notice a few issues. The phone can get a bit warm during heavy usage, and I've experienced some minor performance issues. The battery life has been okay, but I've had to charge it more often than I'd like. These are some areas that I'd like to see improved. Despite these issues, I've had some really intense moments with the TECNO Pova Slim 5G. One of the most decisive moments was when I was trying to record a video while walking. The phone's performance was critical in that situation, and it held up surprisingly well. The video was smooth, and I was able to capture the moment without any issues. That moment really put the TECNO Pova Slim 5G to the test, and I'm happy to report that it passed. The phone's performance was impressive, and I was able to get the shot I needed. I've had some other intense moments, like when I was gaming on the phone. The graphics were smooth, and I was able to play for hours without any issues. After 60 days with the TECNO Pova Slim 5G, I have to say that it's been a great experience. The phone has exceeded my expectations in many areas, and I've enjoyed using it. The performance has been solid, and the camera quality has been impressive. The battery life could be better, but overall, I'm happy with the phone. If I had to summarize my experience with the TECNO Pova Slim 5G, I'd say it's a solid mid-range phone. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done. The price is also very competitive, which makes it a great option for those on a budget. Overall, I'd recommend the TECNO Pova Slim 5G to anyone looking for a reliable phone. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the TECNO Pova Slim 5G, so be sure to leave a comment below. If you're interested in more tech content, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got a lot of great content coming up, and I don't want you to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.